Hello. Can't you see the no smoking board? This is public place. No cigarette smoking.
Is it? Even there is a board saying use condoms. Can I use condoms here? Mind you. I want to see you. Give me
Auto?
your number, my sweetheart. Bye, sweetie.
Fire, water, and wind. Don't play with these three. Even if you play with those three, never think of playing with me. Don't think of me in that way. Be careful.
Hey, listen, I will teach you.
You can see only if I show you, right? Get lost. These idiots trying to play with me.
What, madam? You used to yell at me when I come late. But today you yourself came late.
You know what? I started on time from home. But when I came out and tried to start my vehicle, tire is punctured. By the time I took an auto, I got delayed.
Whatever it might be. Vehicle got punctured, your body got punctured. You have to come to office on time. You understand?
Hey, stop it. Let's go.
Hey Malika, our boss is more interested in you. What's the matter, huh?
Yeah, whenever he sees me, he keeps smiling at me. Such a flirt. I just want to put him on ground and grind him up. That upset I am with him.
2 plates of pani puri.
Okay,
Sweet
madam.
sauce too.
Okay, madam.
Hold it.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'll call you later.
Hello, excuse me.
Yes?
You push my plate and you just keep walking like that?
Yeah, that's why I apologized.
If you apologize, whatever I wasted will come back, is it? You better pay for my plate and leave.
What if I don't?
If you don't, do you know what we do to the animals here?
What?
Brother, take money for the 2 plates before and 1 plate we need now. Take money for 3 plates.
I just pushed 1 plate, but I have to pay for 3 plates. I know I am being cheated.
Your cooking is really very tasty. Simply superb. If owner of Taj or owner of Park taste your food, they might appoint you as a chef.
That's fine. But why do you want to still stay in that PG? Come and stay with me, no?
I don't mind staying with you, but what about the society? Will they keep quiet? They might call us lesbians. This is okay. What if your ex-husband comes and files a complaint on me?
Raji, how many times have I told you not to mention about him?
Once your property and prosperity was enjoyed by him, and he might come back to seek and enjoy it again. Do you know why I'm saying this? He has tasted the
I
happiness.
don't know where that idiot is enjoying his life now. But if he comes back searching for me, I'll shoot and finish him.
Okay, rather than getting upset and finishing him, you better finish what is in your plate.
Oh my god!
Shit. Sorry. Really sorry.
Oh, this is the snack plate case. I caught you. I'll show you now. What do you mean by sorry? If you just say sorry, will I get my record note back? See this. See this. 1 full week. I worked hard and wrote this, and you spoil it within a minute?
I said sorry, right? Please leave me. I'm getting late for work now. I gotta go.
Why these girls are so selfish? Whatever happens to others, you don't care. Only you should be happy. You will go to office. It's okay for you if I don't go to college.
Are you not getting it? I'm telling you what's happened has happened. Move away and don't waste my time. You keep talking like this, I'll shout and complain that you have harassed me.
What, madam? Are you trying to blackmail me? I don't get scared of all these things. Because of girls like you behaving like this, boys like us are not at all secured in this society. If we sit in ladies' seat in the bus, you will make us get up saying that is yours. If you sit in gents' seat, we never make you get up from there. In a bus or in a crowded place, unknowingly if we touch you, you say stupid. Have we guys ever rebuked you girls like that? If a husband says something with anger, immediately the wife will go to the police and file a complaint. The same way if a wife hits the husband, have you heard of husband complaining to the police? Women has different justice and men has different, is it? I don't want to do all that. I want my record back. Because of you, it got drenched in water completely. Or else, I am going to do a strike here. I'll call my leader and raise a problem. I want justice. I want justice. I want justice. Do you want nuts?
Huh?
I just asked you if you want to have some nuts.
Oh God.
Every night in my dreams, I think of you and
Hello?
Where are you?
I'm sitting in a park completing a fool's record. I'll be late to office, okay?
Hey, boss is waiting for you. Every 5 minutes he is asking, has Malika came? Has Malika came? And he's torturing. Within half an hour the meeting is yet to start. Come fast.
Okay, fine. I'll come before that.
Was there a call from your office?
No, from my uncle's house.
Is that so? Why are you keeping your face like this? Okay, let it go. You go to office. Don't write rubbish in your urgent schedule.
Thanks. I'll see you then.
Hello?
Huh?
I said go to office. Never said stop writing notes. Finish all your work. Finish writing this and bring it tomorrow.
Be careful when you're putting.
What?
I was talking about nuts.
Hello, madam.
What is your problem?
Where will you hand over my notes?
That same place where you fell down earlier, okay?
Oh my god, what a beauty. What a beauty. Instead of being a human being, if I was born as a seat of the bike, how good it would have been.
Dear friends, now I'm going to give you a surprising news. One of our main pillar of our company is sitting among you, and she is going to be promoted as assistant manager from today. Till now, she's been a great support of the growth of our company. So as to honor her, I'm going to promote her and give her more responsibilities. As sitting as an ordinary person, sitting with a beautiful smile among you, bold and beautiful girl, Malika.
Hey!
Thank you.
Hello. What manager, madam? After your promotion as manager, more than working in office, you're bringing file here and working.
Yeah, nice question. I'll take my pillow and bed and go over there and sleep. I can't be with him 24 hours in the office. That's why I got the files.
Then what are these record books?
Oh, I completely forgot about that. I told you about that guy in the morning, right? I hit that guy and his notes got drenched. Poor fellow, he's a college student. Even if it gets too late, I'll have to sit and write and complete the whole thing.
Okay. Today notes it's drenched and you're writing for him. Tomorrow he would fall in drainage, then bring him home and give him bath.
You don't have to worry. I'll rather give you that job. Now go to your hostel before the gates close. Else you sleep here. Please stop harassing me.
Oh,
God.
good that you reminded me.
Oh no, he's standing there just like I told him yesterday. My bad, I forgot the notes, God. I better escape from here before he sees me. God save me.
Nothing, buddy.
He thinks he's Arnold, showing pose. Let me escape from here wearing my helmet before he ends up seeing me.
Hello. Hello, wait. Stop the bike. What, madam? You asked me to wait and now you're just leaving? Where are my notes?
Oh, Dad, I finished writing, but I forgot to bring the notes today. I'm really sorry. I'll definitely bring it tomorrow.
What? You will bring my notes only tomorrow? Is it my job coming and standing here? I am a rank holder student in my college. If I don't take my notes, what would happen to my prestige?
Ha ha ha, as if you're some big scholar. Look here, I forgot to bring your notes today. I'm really getting late for work now, allow me to go. I'll somehow get it for you in the evening.
Always you would be playing or what? What is it that you get out of harassing us people? The same way if you forgot to bring it in the evening then? Okay, give me your mobile number. I'll call you and remind you.
9845
Hmm.
2415 30.
Okay, you may go now. Happy journey.
What are you looking at my face for? It's already leaking.
Huh?
I was talking about your pen.
Your call is on wait. Your call is on wait.
What is this? Yeah, it's her. Hello,
Hello, who's this?
it's me only.
It's me, meaning? You don't have a name?
That day in the dirty water.
What dirty water?
No, I didn't say dirt. I said notes.
Oh my holy soul. Are you a human or a devil? You just keep following me everywhere like a devil.
Come on, what is this, madam? If I don't have the notes for a day, how can I study and how can I pass in the exam?
Hey, great scholar. Don't harass me like this. Now listen to me. I'll give you notes in the evening, okay?
Okay. Then we will meet in the restaurant at Silver Line in the evening. I'll wait for you there. No. I said I'll wait for my notes.
Okay, now hang up.
Mallika, if he's calling you to a restaurant as if he's calling his lover, then he's brilliant.
Hey, if he's brilliant, I'm a genius. You know that too. In front of me, he's nowhere, babe. He can't keep acting smart like that with me.
Once I go there, let me see whether he is brilliant or you are genius.
Oh, good. You came at last. How long I have been waiting for you?
If you want your work to be done, you'll have to wait like that.
If you know that we'll wait, you don't mind making us wait for a long time. It's your favorite thing to make men wait till deathbed. If we want to go for morning show, you will reach only at second show. If we want to meet at coffee day in the evening, you will join only for dinner. If we want to take you for friend's wedding, by the time you finish your makeup, his first night would be over by then. If we try to marry you, you will show it in the first night itself. I don't want all these things now. I want to achieve that. I want to achieve this. And make us wait for 1 year full. Waiting and waiting, our hearts will become hard. And then you will be blaming us. You say you don't have a heart. Your heart is hardened.
Brother, I don't give a damn about anything that you have to tell me right now. Be clear on that, okay? Here are your notes. We are leaving now.
No. Wait, madam. Normally it takes 1 week without sleep and putting a lot of efforts to write these notes. But you have written in 2 days. For that at least I have to give you a cup of coffee. Else my heart will feel bad. No. My notes will feel bad. It's my duty to offer. If you say no, it's up to you. I don't want to have any guilty feeling in my mind. Okay, you may go.
No, we are going to have coffee and then leave. Sit, Raji.
Better, 2 coffee please. I don't take coffee. 1 minute please.
Madam, bill.
Huh? 2 coffees are worth 400 rupees.
That sir was eating ice cream and juice, madam.
I knew that guy was a fraud god.
Hey, why are you giving? I'll pay the bill. What is this, man? Can't you wait till I come back?
What are you saying, sir? I was waiting from 3 to 4 p.m.
He is always like this. Very humorous guy. Shall we go then?
You said you wanted to give the bill. Give, please. We're taking leave now. Bye.
Hey, you should have taken money before I came back.
What, sir?
You are good for nothing.
Hello?
What are you doing sitting alone at home? If you sit alone like this, you will remember all old stuff and get a headache. Watching TV, folding clothes, cleaning the floor which already is clean. How many times will you repeat the same thing? Leave everything and come out. I will wait for you in the park. Come fast. We'll just roam around somewhere outside. Your mind will be relaxed. Yeah, I forgot to tell you something. When you buy the chocolate and the other things, don't bring your friend along with you. You come alone. Do you get it?
See that?
No, let's not talk now. We'll meet and talk everything. Bye.
Hello? Hello? Shit. He cut the line. How does he know that I'm alone at home? And he also knows that Raji accompanies me everywhere. And I don't know what all he knows about me. Let me make him say that. Oh, hey Lakshmi. You have started becoming very lazy on Sundays. Why are you late today?
Oh, what to tell, madam? I have a husband who is useless. Whole night he was drinking and came in the morning. We had a big fight and managing him took so long. He really doesn't deserve a wife and children.
Okay, fine. You finish your work and leave for home. I'll be very late.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. If he's calling me, why should I go? No, I'm not gonna go. I first thought not to come. Even I keep getting bored. Every day hanging out with Raji is also very boring. I just came for a change, you know.
You look very beautiful in this sari.
Oh, he already started flirting with me. It's a fact that every lady will look pretty in a sari.
Whatever I say, you will have an opposite answer for that. That is what impressed me a lot. Yeah, and one more thing. You will look more beautiful if you let your hair loose. And the small red dot in between your eyebrows, if you make it bigger, it'll look nice.
Huh, and then?
You give the same reaction for compliments too? Even the story is bad. The cover page should be good, no? Is it wrong?
If you change the cover page alone, the story is not gonna change.
You're talking so well. Okay, what is your name you said?
I never said that.
You are very sharp. Okay, tell me now, what is your name?
Mallika.
Mallika. Nice name. You are so beautiful. Your name is Mallika. Your name is also beautiful. You are so beautiful, Mallika.
My native is Mysore.
Oh, you are from Mysore. So you are actually Mysore Mallika. So sweet Mysore Mallika. Queen Mallika. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 Mallika. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Till now, you never told me anything about yourself.
My name is Surya. My dad's name is Chandrasekhar, businessman. Mother is housewife. My brother is studying in high school. They are all staying in our native place. And I am doing my final year in a college here. I am staying in a hostel and studying.
Not bad. This interest, is it only in talking or do you also show it in studies?
However you take it, you can keep it. Today morning, I think you were listening to the old songs. Is that true?
How do you know about that?
When I was talking to you over phone, I overheard it.
This guy is very smart. If he gets a chance, he might sell the moon by putting a plot. Mom, if you keep talking like this, don't you understand what I'm saying? No? Please, Mom, don't keep saying this thing.
To whom you were fighting over the phone?
It was my mom. She wants to know how I'm able to stay alone and now she wants me to get married again. I gave her good on that. I've already been cheated once in my life. Should I again be cheated? These men, they are all like dogs.
If one man cheated you, why do you think every man are like that? Even if not for you, for this useless society, who talks good and bad just for them at least, you have to get married. If a girl lives alone, People around her will talk bad about her. A woman have to live with a man. This is the culture which was not written in law.
All men are the same, okay? If they see a lamppost, they lift their legs. What I expect someone who understands me, I won't get that person.
Yeah, buddy. What you're saying is right. Every man are the same. There is no big difference in them. So as women, we have to learn to balance and live. We have to select. Someone who is average, once he become our own, we have to tie a belt around him. And we should take care of him. Okay, have your food. Boss is waiting there. Come on, make it fast.
What, buddy? What is the matter?
Nothing to say, buddy.
Hello? Who, me? I am here in college and I am studying right now. Ah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'll come now. Okay. Yeah, I'll come now.
Are you a human being? She didn't even come here. You are just getting scared of her phone call. We just had one cigarette. You spoiled and stamped that too. I don't even have money to buy one, idiot.
Sorry, buddy. I don't know what I'm doing in tension. Don't mistake me, please. I have a small work. I'll be back soon.
Hey, bro.
Hey, mister! You guys had a tea and walking off. Come back and pay your money and leave.
Look at this fellow. He's just the size of a matchbox and see how he's talking.
Hey, mister, what are you talking? I might be like Matchbox in size, but first pay the money and leave this place.
Hey, write it in my account. I'll come tomorrow and pay.
As if you are a Bill Gates, you have current account here? Come here tomorrow, I will show you who I am.
Come sit.
If you do like this, I'll never come in your
Hey,
bike.
come and sit. All this is very common. Huh? Hello, gentleman. If someone gets a number of a girl and makes friends with her, every day they will get around 50 messages and 10 calls. But you never call me or message me once a week also. That doesn't mean you're a great man or a good-hearted person, okay? You also called me and took me for outing that day.
It was really boring that day. You would always talk like a chatterbox.
If a beautiful girl rebukes you, you take that as a compliment, right?
No, not with every girl. Only with you.
He's trying to please me. I'm not like the other girls. I will not get pleased with these kinds of words.
Even though iron is very strong, if you heat and beat it, it'll bend however you want.
Oh, you have built your body very well. For you guys, that does good. We'll be boasting about 6 packs and 8 packs, but we can only have 2 packs.
If you maintain those 2 packs, that's enough. You will have the whole world under you. In front of that, the 6-pack and 8-pack is nothing. Did you see that? It's so hard to walk over there. But some person has built a chapel in that place.
Yeah, that's right. Hey Surya, whenever I come here, I always wish to go to that place over there. Till now, I've never gone there. Today you're here, right? Can we please go there and see?
Hey, is that all you want? Come, let's go there. If you want to go there, I will take you. Hey, Mallika! Careful, careful.
Hey, Surya, come in.
Hey, what is this? Without switching on the light, what are you doing sitting in this dark room? This is something I got for you.
What is it?
Open and see it. You'll know what it is.
Oh, sari, bangle, jasmine flowers also. Where is that? Wedding ring is missing.
Hey, see, you're making fun of me again.
Sorry. Tell me, why did you bring all this?
Wish you many, many happy returns of the day.
How did you know that it's my birthday today?
It's not very hard to find out our loved one's birthday.
How many times I asked you, where are you taking me?
I told you that's a surprise.
Is it? Taking me on this dirty road is a surprise for you?
If you want to deliver a baby, you have to bear the pain.
house is this?
Romeo Juliet's house.
Is it? It's okay, but why did you have to bring me here? To rape me or
Hey.
what?
What is this? You're directly moving to the climax.
You idiot. Please don't overact. Tell me whose house is this?
Okay. This is our house. Just for two of us alone. I'm going to stay here. Anytime you may also come and go. I bought this house for my Mallika, new house.
Where did you get the money from?
My dad told me he'll get a new vehicle for me this semester. Just 2 days back, he deposited the money. More than the pleasure going in a vehicle, playing with his body gives me more pleasure. That is why I bought this house. How's this? Good, right?
Hey, idiot. Why did you have to get this house now? My house is not enough for you?
No, Malika. I don't like coming to your house very often. The neighbors might talk bad about us. I don't care people talking bad about me. But then I cannot bear someone talking bad about you. That is the reason I bought this house. You can come here anytime and no one will think bad about you.
You've gone out of mind, haven't you?
I am very proud about that.
Where? I'm really getting a bad feel about all this. I'm leaving now. Bye.
Oh.
Hello? Tell me, auntie. Okay. I'll come now. Right now, auntie. Bye. Bye.
Look here, Mallika. She's not listening to me at all. Do you know what my relatives are saying? You're not getting your daughter married, but eating her earnings. Last year we were discussing to get her married with my brother's son. After she agreed, we sent her to job. Now she's saying that she doesn't want to get married.
Mama, I'm not saying that I don't want to get married. First thing, I want to fulfill my dream. Using my degree and experience, I want to start my own company. That is why I said that I don't want to get married.
Hey, what is the connection between your marriage and your business? You can fulfill your dreams at any time. But marriage, you should get it done at the right time. You should get married now and work for 3 years. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Agreed. But on one condition. Will you promise me that you will also get married as soon as possible?
Yes, Mallika. Why don't you change your mind and get married?
Okay, auntie. I'll think about it.
Why did we leave the vehicle there and I don't know where we are going right now?
Today, there is a mass marriage happening for 101 couples in a hall here. We are the 101st couple. We are going there.
Hey, what are you saying now? If you had informed me earlier, I would have brought couple of my friends too. Tell me the truth. Where are you taking me?
Will you please keep quiet for some time? We'll get to know soon.
Why did she bring me to this bike showroom?
Wish you a very happy birthday. This is a small gift for you.
Take these.
Thank you.
God bless you.
How did you know that it's my birthday today?
It's not really hard to find the birthdays of our loved ones, you know.
Just for that, why this costly gift for me?
Didn't you buy a new house for me? Comparing that, this is not as costly as that. Surya,
Yeah.
what's been happening to you of late? Sitting as if you're affected by cancer?
Nothing.
What happened? Have you donated your blood or what? Your face is looking so pale. Hey, will you at least open your mouth and speak to me? Even when you're talking to me on phone, you're sounding so dull. At least tell me what happened.
Nothing, Malika. It's a small problem, but now it looks very big for me. I haven't paid fees for the semester. Today's the last date. I called my dad and he says he's not in station. My mother shouting at me asking why didn't you tell me before. I was so excited with my new vehicle that I totally forgot to call them.
How much is your semester fees?
85,000.
Can you do something? If possible tonight, why don't you go rob a bank and come?
There is a proverb also. If a lion sleeps off, rats will play on it.
Sorry. Don't worry about all these things. I'm there for you. I'll pay for you.
No thanks. I have asked my friends for help. Let's see if they can get something.
Hey, I'm also your friend, right? I'll give it, buddy.
You've already helped me in so many situations.
Is it, sir? Okay, leave it. I know how to take it back from you too. I'll come with you and deposit the money. Walk now. Hey, come fast. Tell me, Surya.
I've been ringing the bell so many times. What are you doing inside?
Hey, sorry. I didn't hear the bell. I was having bath. I'll come now. Hey, come inside. What happened? Why are you looking at me like this?
Have I come to your house and I'm seeing you, or I am in heaven and looking at an angel? I am a little bit confused on it.
Nothing like that. You're in Chennai now and I'm looking at Mysore Malika.
Wow. I just want to smell and enjoy this Mallika right now.
Oh, is it so? That will forever be a dream. I just got a good bath and came out now. Sit silently and watch TV. I'll go dress up and come. We can go out and have dinner, okay? Hey, why did you come here? I told you to sit in the hall and watch TV, right? No, don't do this. Don't come near me. Go. What is this, madam? You're neither coming home nowadays. I'm not able to see you in office also. What's happening? Are you very busy?
It's not like that. When you're alone, I thought of accompanying you and I was there for you. Nowadays, you have a right company. That too a boy. That is the reason I just avoided you. Anyhow, you're really happy now. That's enough for me. I can stay away and watch and be happy with that.
Oh, is it so? You're very concerned about me. I'm really grateful. Leave that. How are your marriage preparations going?
Forget about my wedding arrangements. You see how your life is going on. Do you know what you're doing right now? How long you will roam here and there with Surya like this? Do you know what people around you are talking about you? Whoever sees your relationship are thinking very bad about that.
Why should I bother about what others are talking behind my back? When I was going through a problem, what did this society do for me? They'll talk about me if I stay alone or if I stay with someone. They'll have to know who's coming inside my home, who's going outside my home, who the lady's living with. In case there's no one who's coming and going, they themselves will try their hand on me. In between all these vultures, the only person who cares for me is my Surya.
Hey, what do you know about that guy Surya? He's also like an yet another me, remember? Even though he knows that you are staying without your husband, and if he's coming to you, it is a concern or with wrong motive.
Look here, Raji. You can talk about me, but don't say a word against Surya. How do you know about how much he loves me? If there is a bike to ride over here, the guys will start that and ask girls for dating. But the money he got to buy a bike for himself, he used that for me, to buy a house for me. Just to protect me from the society, he bought a house for me. Many scary nights, he's made it beautiful for me. He made me throw all my burdens off. He gave me real happiness and you're doubting his love.
Love? Bullshit. If you want to throw a stone, even if it is a pond or a river, anyone can throw a stone. All it requires is water. If whoever knows that your husband has left you, anyone would come and say that I love you. Ask him to get married with you. Then you know the real face of him.
The institute of marriage. I don't believe in all that. I have crossed that stage in life now. My mental situation, you'll never understand that. Raji, please, don't sow a seed of doubt in my heart. Till now, I have been very happy. Let's see what happens tomorrow.
From morning I have headache, buddy.
Is it so?
Yeah.
Have one more peg, buddy. Everything will be all right.
If I have one peg, will I get relieved from my headache, buddy?
If you keep drinking like this, you will get relieved of respect, house, property. At last, you will get relieved of your spirit also. So, don't you think that you will get relieved of your headache?
Yes, you're right, buddy. Do you drink every day, buddy?
What? Every day? That's it. Mallika will kill me. No.
Mallika. After Mallika came into your life, your lifestyle itself has changed, buddy. 1 in million will have this kind of luck. Her body is like a sandal, hand full of money, heart full of happiness. Who will get all this? Tell me, buddy. You are very, very, very lucky, man. Lucky, buddy.
It's not like that, bro. If you keep waiting for luck to come, then we won't have money to buy a cigarette also. People will say that stretch your leg to bed. But me, I stretch bed for my legs. That's it.
Leg, thigh, bed. What are you trying to say? I don't understand.
Look here, buddy. I am a bachelor who is going to a college. Not an ordinary bachelor. Very dried bachelor.
Correct.
Once you grow big, every need of ours is good only. Colorful dresses, Ray-Ban glasses, Reebok shoes, a bike to do wheeling. Having all these things with us, having a girl for dating, shopping in the mall and watching a movie in the multiplex, that a nice movie. Just enjoy your life and always be happy. If you want all those things, we need a lot of money, buddy. Whatever I'm getting from my parents are not sufficient to buy even cigarettes. For rest of my expenses, I don't want to go for part-time jobs and all. That's why I made all this master plan. One of my friend's dad is a lawyer, and I happened to visit their house once. Mallika was there and was discussing about her divorce case with him. That was the first time I saw her there. One thing I understood, that she is in a very big job and with lot of money in her hand. And her husband left her. I followed her. I made a plan to create a situation to cover her attention towards me. One day she was having a snack plate and I purposely dashed. The other day she was coming on a bike and I purposely jumped in front of her bike and dropped my notes in water. Introduction became a friendship, and friendship, I fulfilled all my desires. The house that my dad bought, I said that I bought it for her and I got a bike as a gift. I took millions of money saying that I have to pay for my semesters. In the name of love, I enjoyed her body inch by inch.
Are you not scared of doing all these things, buddy?
Scared? Why should I be scared? Did I rape her deliberately? Or did I give receipt for taking money from her?
Then?
Then? Last semester is going to get over. Till that time, money for my expenses and body for my enjoyment, and sing some twinkle song and leave from here. That's it. That's
You
it.
sinner.
What happened to you? Sunday morning is supposed to be very bright, but look at you frowning like always.
Then what to do? I was quiet and you guys compelled me to get married. Now see what happened. My dad is compelling me to come to my native.
Native? Why? There's still a lot of time left for your marriage.
Tomorrow I have to go to the sub-register and sign there, it seems.
Tell me clearly, Raji.
My dad is a great philanthropist. He's going to register our land to the boy who's getting married with me. His parents has demanded that land as a dowry. I can't marry him. I'm not interested in it.
Is it so? What's wrong with that? You're the one and only daughter to your parents. What are they going to do with such a huge land? Giving the land to your fiancé is as good as giving it to you, right?
You two support Arjun for this, right? If a man expects such kinds of things, how he is going to make her happy? I hate this kind of system. Surya, you tell me, do you think this kind of greedy person can love his wife wholeheartedly?
Yes, you are right. Excuse me. May I get in?
Come in.
Thank you. I am Madan. I just newly joined this company as a creative head.
Oh, I see. Sit down.
Thank you.
I knew it that you're going to join here. But you really don't look like a creative person to me.
Why, madam?
Look at you. You look like you've come for a film's audition for the role of a hero. A creative person means you should have a big beard, a thick glass of spectacle. I thought they will all look very different.
It's not like that, madam. Creativeness is there in your brain. It is there in revealing the product, not in our getup. Just for example, you look like a heroine, but you are managing this company like that.
Oh, you're very good at talking too.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll study your file and then I'll introduce you to the staff, okay?
Oh, sure.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Surya, when did you come?
10 minutes before. I had a work near this place. On the way, I thought I'll visit you. Who's that? Dropping you in the car?
The newly joined creative head in my office. His name is Madan. He looks the same and his talking is also the same.
When you got a car, you dropped your bike and came, or what?
No, Raji took my two-wheeler for some work. So I requested Madan to drop me.
Oh, he drops you on the first day itself. So you became so close?
If you drop me, someone has to pick me up, right? That is why. What happened? Your head is spinning already? I was just joking. My head is really paining. Let's have a cup of coffee first, okay? Come.
We'll meet tomorrow for sure. Okay, Karan, call you back. Bye.
Madan,
Yes?
can you please do me a favor?
Is it? What can I do for you, ma'am?
Actually, every Friday I go to a nearby temple over here. But to take my two-wheeler, the climate is really not good. Can you please get me there?
Yeah, sure. It's my pleasure. Please get in.
Thank you, Madan.
Hey, buddy. If you go inside the temple, we can worship God. But standing outside like this doesn't make sense.
Hey, this is not the age to worship God. This is the age to flirt with girls. If we go inside, we can see only one goddess statue. But being here, we can enjoy seeing lot of angels walking around. Don't you understand what I'm saying, you idiot? Today is Friday. All the aunties and girls in and around this place will come to worship here. It's boring to keep watching the girls in the college, but in this place we can see different kinds.
Hey, Madan, keep this on your forehead.
On my head. I don't like all this. I think you are trying to make me a saint. It looks like it's gonna rain.
Hey,
Come, let's
Madan.
go.
What is this, buddy? Looks like the train is changing the track. They have picked some other engine in your compartment. Who is that black sheep? Looks like it's going away.
Hey, Surya, have this. You need to have strength to take care of our kids. What happened to you? You look like a ship has just drowned. You're looking so sad.
Malika, I need 10,000 rupees immediately. I think it'll take time for them to send money from home.
Money? Oh, is this the matter? Do you know one thing? If there's no money on hand, everything will fall apart. Surya, there's something very important I want to discuss with you. Around 6 months back, one of my friends took loan to construct a house. I gave surety for that. That fraud, whether he built his house or not, but for 3 months he's not paid his EMI. Bank went for searching and along with him his things are also not there. Just for the mistake of signing the surety, it's me who's paying the EMI for 2 months now. My entire salary is going on the EMI now. If you really don't trust me, take this, read it. I didn't pay the EMI for your bike for 2 months also. That's the notice. Till I find out where that fraud is, you please pay the EMI yourself.
Why did you sign a surety for somebody? You should have asked me before that, you know?
I didn't even know you in those days, Surya. And moreover, he's a very good friend of mine. Who will know who's the rat and who's the snake over here? Easily believing everyone is my biggest weakness, you know. Take yourself for example. Before 3 months, I didn't even know who you are. But now I believe you're everything to me. Same way.
Are you comparing me with somebody else? Don't even think about it, senseless.
Excuse me?
Hmm?
Can you do me a favor?
Tell me.
Nothing. I want to buy something for my household. I am new to this place. I don't know where to get all these things. So if you could help me.
So what? If you go to the end of the road, you'll find a wine shop. You'll get your drinks there. If you cross that road and go there, there's a hotel. There you'll get hot chicken kebab. Opposite to that, there's a medical shop. You'll get all kinds of condoms. Because you're new to this place, right? So take care of your
Hey,
health.
why do you think so cheap about men? Not everyone is so bad as you think.
Oh, is it so? Okay, let it be. Do one thing. Take your car and follow my bike, okay?
Huh.
I'll leave my bike at home and I'll join you. Whatever you want, I'll help you buy.
Thank you.
Huh, except one.
Except one? It'll be good if she can get me that too.
Surya, tomorrow is my birthday. As a gift, will you get me a ring?
It's ring only, no? I'll get you. Shall I give a ring on your mobile or on your landline?
You go, man, stupid. Not always joking.
We have bought everything, no? Yeah, get in.
Yeah. Thank God your shopping is over.
Okay. Nowadays, you're not buying me anything. Before, you used to buy me lot of things. Nowadays, you're just taking me out. Nothing you're buying for me.
Now I understand why the credit card is not working. I'll show you.
The project I just gave it to you guys belongs to MNC. The quality level should be very good. We have a week time. Within that, I need a final copy. I don't want to know whether you guys are eating or sleeping. From now on, each and every second is important. colleges, high-tech roads, malls, a cinema theater, go wherever you want to go. You have to study the attitude of the young generation and make a very good concept. Post our other projects. Post it for 1 week. As first preference, finish this project. Project should be ultimate. We have more trust on you guys. That trust should grow more. Okay, we might go.
Thank you, sir.
From morning I am roaming with you and you didn't ever bother to offer me something to drink. This is too much, yeah. Don't do like this.
Hey, buddy. For the past 1 week, I am running this bike in slope just to avoid putting petrol.
Okay, you go fast. We will go and take money from your funds.
Is it so? Okay.
What happened? He's not coming.
How do you know that they will come with the bike in this way?
Leaving this road, where are they going to go? This road has women's hostel, beauty parlor, girls' college, all that.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Sir, what is the bike number?
Hey, TN093849.
849?
That is what I said. Can't you hear me?
Not only my ears, my eye are also very sharp. Sir, that is black color bike, isn't it?
Yes. That is the vehicle. Catch it.
Stop. Hey.
Why did you stop my bike?
Whose bike is this?
It's mine. Why?
You didn't pay the EMIs for 3 months and asking me why. Now we are taking the bike. You come to office, pay the money and take your bike.
Shit.
Hey, what happened? Last 1 week I couldn't see you this side. Come in. Come.
Brother, recharge for 100 rupees, please.
What? You used to recharge your 500 and 1000 rupees. And you supposed to give me more than 1000 rupees, buddy.
Hey, whatever the amount is, please recharge right now. All the big companies are running in loss. Where are we then? I am not a person who keeps good movie in display and selling all adult sex movies
no.
behind.
Why are you shouting like this? If somebody hears this, that would be the problem for me. Wait, I'll recharge for you. What happened? Any problem with Malika? Okay, leave that, let it go. Yesterday, I saw Malika in theater. But someone else was there with her.
That's right, bro. Most of the times nowadays she is roaming with that guy. I think now she is fed up of roaming with me. I don't know who her father is to do all of this. Nobody. Today I want to know the truth, do or die.
Please make a note of this.
Yeah, tell me, Mallika,
This is regarding
regarding?
the subject that I was talking about. Okay, let's go. Oh, Surya, come in. Mr. Madan, he is Surya. Surya, he is Mr. Madan, my colleague.
Hi.
Hi. Mallika, I would like to talk to you about something personal.
Okay, Mallika, I'll wait in the car. Come fast.
Tell me, Surya, what happened?
I'll tell you. Why? Is this work urgent?
Yes, Surya, I have to really go out with Madan now.
Where are you going? To the mall, is it?
Yes. Oops, how did you know?
Why should I know? Cat will drink the milk and think that no one is watching. Yesterday movie, today mall, tomorrow some resort. First your husband, yesterday it was me, today this man, tomorrow someone else. This is what your lifestyle is.
Surya! Behave yourself. Do you realize how you're talking to me now?
Of course, yes, dear Mysore Mallika. Are you scared that all your secrets have been revealed?
You idiot. Why should I get scared of you? I thought you were a gentleman and I thought you would understand me very well. But I didn't have the fairest idea that you would behave in such a cheap way to me.
Yes, I am very cheap. Whoever talks the right thing will be treated as cheap. Just tell me this. Nowadays, you're not giving me any money, not even talking to me. 24 hours you're happily roaming with that guy. Don't you understand this is cheap?
Hey, you fool. He's my colleague. We'll have thousands of things to do together, and that's what you're doing now. And you overreact like this. Huh, what are you going to understand about my pain? For 1 month's salary, we have to sweat out and work for 30 days. This situation, when a girl has to work hard and take care of herself, do you have any idea what all she has to go through? What idea would you have? You go and earn some money by yourself, then you'll understand its difficulty. Huh. Just because I spoke to my colleague, you doubted me with him, right? I can understand what you are now. And I can't believe that I trusted you.
Thank this grandpa. Thunder Mallika. Seeing this, even the dead snake will get up and dance. Go and enjoy.
I have seen this for 10 times. Do you have second part of this movie?
What? Second part? Director of this movie is very busy. Once that movie is released, I'll call you and give it to you. Till that, watch this movie till it gets scratched out. Okay?
Okay. If you have any other Mercedes, let me know.
What, brother? For so many years, this movie's market hasn't come down?
Yeah, leave it. This kind of local CDs still have market. Whatever the technology is improved, there is no downfall for this. If you can get this kind of hot videos, we'll get lot of money in our hand.
Is that so?
Ma'am,
Huh?
my work is over. Today I have to go little early. May I go, madam?
Lakshmi,
Yes, madam.
that you were telling me that your husband really troubles you at home, right? How is he now? Is he okay now?
What to tell, ma'am? Every men are like that. Their mentality is like here and there. If we get upset with that, can we live? As a woman, if we get adjust with them, things would go well. All men will have some bad habits, that is sure. But if we take all that serious and always keep fighting with them, which woman can be happy with her husband? Every men are the same character. But we cannot desert the husband and leave, no? Isn't it?
It's true. Anyways, you're happy right now, no?
Madam, if we have 100 reasons to grieve, there are 1,000 reasons to be happy. My husband is also a good person, but drinking is only bad habit in him. Otherwise, my husband loves me so much. Today he promised me that he will take me to movie. That is why I asked you permission. It's time to go. I'll come tomorrow, ma'am.
Why have you come to see me?
Do I need a reason to come and see you, Surya?
What else to say? You're always very busy. A kind of jobless person like me, what is there to talk?
Look at me and talk directly, Surya. Don't talk to me like you're talking to someone else.
Okay, Mysore Mallika madam. I'm talking to you only. What is that you're expecting from me?
Surya, I'm sorry. I know that I shouldn't have spoken to you like that. My situation was like that on that day. Please, don't mind, Surya.
You want all men to dance according to you, isn't it? This is a good one. From day one till now, I'm dancing according to your instruction. Some women build their family and raise their loved ones. Some women destroy the family and destroy their loved ones. I don't know what is your role in it.
Surya, don't keep talking rubbish to me. Don't confuse yourself thinking of the incident that day. I left everything and I've come just for you alone. Please understand me, Surya.
What? You left everything and came for me? Who are you trying to cheat, woman? I very well know about your attitude. You are all like a flexible plant. According to the wind direction, you will bend. What sort of cheap creature you are?
Surya, you're talking nonsense to me. The women are not like what you think. For you to really understand what a woman is, 100 birds in this world won't be enough for you. If I also start talking just like you, many things will come out. Leave it. Let's not talk about all that now. I need you, Surya. I need only you. Let's both get out of this place, Surya. We don't need to stay here anymore. Let's go to a new place and start a new life altogether. You do whatever job you like. All I need is 4 sets of dresses, 3 times food, and 24 hours filled with your love. Tell me, Surya, will you give me all this?
Do I really look like a fool to you? Tomorrow someone will come and offer you 8 sets of dress and 3 times food, and you will immediately go behind him. I know what you are. You're nothing but a bitch.
Surya! Look here. Just because I loved you, I'm letting you go now. If anyone else had used that word on me, I would have cut his throat and hanged him around. Whenever you needed me, I gave you myself. And whenever you needed money, I gave you that too. That is my mistake. Knowing that you're jobless and roaming around with friends and then trusting you, that is also my mistake. It's okay. You're just like any other cheap person. You just proved it. You showed me a real face at least now. From today onwards, there is no relationship between you and me. Goodbye.
Hey, get lost. Till now I was getting everything directly from you. Henceforth I'll take it indirectly. Wait and watch.
Hi Raji, I'm going out with Madan tonight. He is giving me a treat, you know. Would you like to join us?
There is lot of work pending here. How can I join you? You guys carry on.
You're right. All this work needs to be done today itself. You do me a favor. Finish off all of this work and you hand me all the files at home today. No problem however late it takes at night. We'll sit awake and check all the bills and finish all the work before morning. Okay, bye. Come Madan, let's go. Please don't nag me to eat this and that, Madan.
Am I nagging you every time? Come.
Hello? Surya, this is Raji here. I want to talk to you something important. Not today. Tomorrow evening 5 o'clock. Not in office. You just come to the park tomorrow evening 5 o'clock. Let us meet up there. Okay? Bye.
Buddy, she cheated me, buddy.
Who is that?
Who else? That Mallika.
What are you saying? I don't understand. Tell me clearly.
She said that she won't give me anything. Am I so cheap and useless? She embarrassed me, buddy. I can't tolerate this feeling.
Leave her. Are you planning to get married with her or what? She came in the middle, left in the halfway. Why are you sitting and crying for that?
It's burning inside for me.
Put some ice and drink, buddy.
No, buddy. I am not going to leave her. I will take revenge on her. Buddy, I need your help. Can you do it or not?
Tell me whatever you want. I'll give my life for my friendship.
Take this. This is an exclusive video coverage of our complete relationship. I remember you asking me for a local video. This is that. I thought of using this video if she's going to make any problem for me. And now I'm going to use this. Make this as a CD and we'll blackmail with that CD. How will she refuse to give money to me? Let me see that.
She is a wife of our lecturer Gopal, right? She is sitting with someone else. Who is that?
That's what I said. All women's heart is like a tsunami.
But I never thought his wife will be like this.
Come, Raji. You said you wanted to talk to me? Come on, tell me.
Surya, that is, I want to say something important about Mallika to you.
Even I thought of it. I know you'll talk about that. Now you would have understood what kind of woman she is. You would have seen both of them romancing and clinging to each other, haven't you? Yes, Raji. They both are in close relationship. I know that long back. As if the whole city belongs to them. They are roaming together everywhere, right? If she was a good woman, why would her husband leave her and go? She needs a different man every day. Bloody bitch.
What are you talking? You rascal!
Raji, what is this? She is slapping me at home and you slapping me in the park? I am not a temple bell for anyone to bang me like this.
Just shut up, you bastard! What do you know about her? What do you know about Mallika, you rascal? Wrong eyes can see only wrong things. As if you're very good and gentle. You're blaming her. Now you're not able to get her comfort and money. So you're boiling with anger. Have you ever thought of the heart of a girl? Tell me, Surya. She knows the character of yours very well. But still, she left you like that. She didn't even worry about that.
What? She knows everything about me. What did I do to her? I don't know anything. Raji, please tell me what it is.
I felt whatever she's doing was very weird, seriously. But yesterday's rain cleansed me. That time Mallika was...
Thank you, Madan.
Hey, it's raining.
Let it be, it's okay. I love it. You carry on.
Okay, good night.
In Mallika's life, good night and bad night are all the same. You carry on. Hey, Raji! Come out, you girl. It's raining heavily. Let's play. Come and see, Raji. It's so much fun over here. Come and join me. Come on, Raji. Come over here and enjoy.
Are you drunk?
So why are you looking at me like that? As if I did something that others don't do. Is there a law that only men can drink or what? Drinking, beating. Even we can enjoy, Raji.
I never knew that you're so cheap. Alright, what are you thinking about you? As if big Marilyn Monroe. You keep changing the men like you're changing the dress. Are you not ashamed of it? What did that innocent Surya did to you? He worships you as if you're an angel for him. How can you cheat him like this?
Cheating. Cheating my lover? Cheating the friendship too. Hey, you crazy girl. You've never seen a real world till now. Do you know that? If you would have seen, you would have got scared. There are no true people here. Only psychopath killers are there. If you just close your eyes, you'll be screwed over. You don't understand what I said, right? The words you spoke to me that day when we went for jogging. It very very lightly started working in my brain. And I went to Surya's house. On that day, I found out his real face.
Mallika was there and was discussing about her divorce case with him. That was the first time I saw her there. One thing I understood, that she is in a very big job and with lot of money in her hand. And her husband left her. In the name of love, I enjoyed her body inch by inch.
When I heard him on that day, I decided to kill him there itself. But I controlled myself. And I decided there itself that I will teach him a lesson for what he did to me. I want to go in his own way and bring him to my way. I stopped giving him money. That's because he should understand how hard it's to earn that money. I told him to pay the EMI for his bike. To see her girlfriend going around with other boys. None of the men will bear to see that scene. I use that weakness and acted as if I'm very close to Madan. It hurted him, I know. I thought at least that would change his mind. He didn't. He didn't change a bit. Now you tell me, Raji, was it wrong what I did? Giving my heart is wrong or giving my love is wrong? Falling in love with him is wrong or denying his love is wrong? You tell me. What are you going to understand? You still don't know this world. I thought Surya came to blossom over me. No, but he came to put me on fire, to burn me into ashes. Tell me, Raji, if one human cannot trust the other human, then what is there to trust and live here? Why is everybody hurting me like this? When have I hurt anybody, Raji? I have never done anything wrong to anyone. Tell me, Raji, tell me. Raji, I have never cried till now, do you know that? I am that much strong-hearted. But today I'm crying and standing here. No one can see my tears in this rain. That is why my husband left me. Surya is talking bad about me. The society thinks that I'm a call girl. Are you also one of them? Even you will never understand me.
Mallika! Look here, Surya. Mallika loved you deep from her heart, but you cheated her. If I would have been there in her place, I would have put you behind the bars. If you got Mallika as your lover, then you're very lucky. She never get impressed by someone. I don't know how she got impressed by you. She loved you more than anything else. Do you know something? She still loves you. She's not able to hate you and she's suffering like the fish without water. Go, Surya, just go. You find a remedy for your sins. Just go and apologize to her.
Raji, I made a big mistake, Raji. I don't even deserve to see her face. In case, will she accept me if I apologize to her?
Yes, women are like symbol of love. They are like a goddess. They'll forgive everyone. Mallika looks like a rock, but her heart is like a butter. She's like a child. Can't even recognize who is good and who is bad. Please, you should not hurt that kind of heart. Go fast, Surya. She knows that you will come and she's waiting for you. She cleared your bike loan and kept in her house. You know that? At least in rest of your life, you better be loyal to her. God will bless you both.
Thanks, Raji. You made me realize my mistake. Else I would not have known what kind of blunder I have done in my life. I'll go right now. I'll fall on her feet and I'll apologize to her. Mallika, I'm sorry. Please forgive me, Mallika. I realized my sins. I met Raji. She explained me everything. Thank you for your great heart, Mallika. After all, for body pleasure and for money, I was playing a drama with you. I misused you, Mallika. In front of your love, I became nothing. Mallika, give me a chance to prove my repentance. I will never trouble you in your lifetime. Trust me, Mallika. I need you. I need you, indeed your love. These problems are because we are in a separate place. Let us be together. We'll get married today. You start now and come to a chapel where we took our new bike. I will buy everything whatever is needed for marriage. Malika, will you come? Malika, please tell me. You will surely come, right?
I'll come.
Sorry, Malika. I'll make sure these kind of things never happens again. It's getting late. Let's go.
Are you worried that your mom and dad weren't able to attend?
Hey, not like that. Did they call us for their marriage? Malika? 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 Why are you sitting like this? Why is the house so dark? I was waiting for you at the chapel. What happened, Malika? Why didn't you come to the chapel? Tell me, Malika. You said that you will come, and why didn't you come? Sitting at home, and what are you doing?
I was watching a movie.
Movie? What movie?
Mysore Malika, Part 2. In that movie, you are the hero and I'm the heroine. Hello?
Malika, I'm Rajesh here.
I understood. Tell me, boss.
Malika, we have terminated you from our company and you will get the settlement within 2 or 3 days.
Rajesh, what are you trying to tell me? Why are you terminating me? What wrong did I do?
Sorry, Malika, I'm not able to tell you all these things. For the past 2-3 days, everyone are talking about your video.
Oh, Madan.
Hey, are you going somewhere?
Yes, I was about to leave to the temple.
Oh, then I think I'm troubling you. Then I'll leave now.
Nothing like that. Come sit inside and have a cup of coffee. What are you doing? You rascal! I never imagined you're such a bad person.
Me too. I didn't think you are that kind of a girl. Till I saw this video.
Hey, get lost. Till now I was getting everything directly from you. Henceforth I'll take it indirectly. Wait and watch.
Mallika? Mallika? Mallika, open the door. Mallika, please open the door. Mallika.
Come in, come. You want to rape me, right? Come in. Huh. Come in. Come on, Madan, rape me. When I locked the door, you thought that I was going to commit suicide, isn't it? Why should I commit suicide, huh? When I have such a beautiful body with me, why should I commit suicide? I have to live for some more time to sacrifice my body to womanizers like you. You bloody rascals. You will never see anything other than sex in a woman, right? Don't you understand that she also has a heart and there is love and affection in there? How many generations do you need to understand this? From that day till now, you guys are looking at women in just one way. Tuh! You guys are just the same always.
Tell me.
Hey, the video which you gave was super, buddy. Just published as a trailer. Very fast it's moving, buddy. Super duper hit movie was watched by whole city. The Mallika would have seen that by this time. This is how you ought to take revenge. Come in the morning to the shop and take your money, okay? Have a good day.
You idiot. What you did is to mix poison in drinking water. Keep the phone, you rascal. Yeah. Mallika, listen.
Don't you ever touch me again.
My friend is the one who did all these things. I don't have any part in this. Please, Mallika, trust me. I tried to do something and something else happened. Oh my God. Mallika, we'll get away from this city, or else this society will not allow us to live here. I can't live without you, Mallika. Live or die, it should be with you. Trust me, Mallika. Come, we'll go somewhere. Let's leave this city.
Surya, I want to tell you something.
What?
I am pregnant.
Is it so? That's good news. I don't have to take another effort for that. We have to build a small house in this kind of beautiful place. You have to take care of the house and all our children. I'll come back home after my hard work. You will have to wait in the lobby till I come back. When I come back, my son should come running and then hug me tight. All my tiredness will vanish just like that. Malika, are you all right?
I'm fine.
Careful. Malika, get up.